In today's video, I'll show you how to use YNAB to manage your money in just a few minutes. If you're new to budgeting or want a clearer system to control your finances, YNAB is built around one simple idea. Give every dollar a job. Start by opening your browser and visiting the official YNAB website. Log into your account or create one if you're new. Once you're inside your dashboard, the first thing you'll do is add your financial accounts. Click on Add Account, then choose whether you want to connect your bank automatically or add an unlinked account if you prefer manual entry. Give the account a clear name like main checking or savings, select the correct account type and enter your current balance. This balance is your starting point and represents the money you actually have right now. Next, move to the budget or plan section. This is where you create categories for your spending. Think about your real life expenses like rent, groceries, utilities, transport, subscriptions, and savings goals. You can group these into sections such as bills, everyday needs, and fun spending. Now assign the money you have to these categories until every dollar has a purpose. As you spend or earn money, make sure to record transactions. You can let YNAB import them automatically or add them manually by clicking Add Transaction in the account. Enter the date, payee, category, and amount so your budget always stays accurate. Finally, review your budget regularly, especially at the end of the month. If you overspent in one category, move money from another. If something changes, adjust your plan. That flexibility is the core of YNAB. And that's it. With regular updates and small check-ins, YNAB helps you stay in control of your money instead of wondering where it went. Happy budgeting!